Good day to everyone. Today we are back with another important learning video regarding the amendment of the Ballast Water Management Convention, which includes amendment in the Ballast Water Record Book. As per MEPC Circular 80, whole Ballast Water Record Book has changed. Now, new Ballast Water Record Book has come up, which has some codes A to H along with their corresponding item number. Before, in the previous version, only corresponding item number was there, but in this version, new version, they have implemented some codes also A to H. This amendment is coming in force from 1st of February 2025. That is why this video is very important for all ship staff, especially chief officer, second officer, third officer and master. If you think that any of your friends who is master, chief officer, second officer or third officer who doesn't know about this amendment, please share this video with them so that when they will go on board and fill the ballast water record book, they will not make any mistakes, because this amendment is coming from 1st of February 2025. So as per the circular, there are entries with the new code A to H. A for the ballasting, B for the deballasting, C for ballast water exchange, D for uptake or discharge of water from or to reception facility, E is for accidental discharge, F for failures, and G for ballast tank cleaning flushing. So we will not waste the time, we will directly jump to the examples so that it will be very easy for you for understanding what all entries are to be made in the ballast water record book, and there will be a less chances of making a mistakes. So this is code A. This is only for the ballasting operations. Code A will be used. So example number 1, when we are doing ballasting using BWTS at port. Here you have to write date, code letter A for always ballasting operation, item number 1 and 2, start and completion time, date, position. 3 and 4 will be number of tanks which we are using and how many quantities you have filled. Number 5, yes, ballasting as per BWMP for D2 compliance. Item number 6, approved BWMS, and then sign, name and rank. So this is the example when we are taking ballast water using BWTS at port. Let's go to another example when we will do the ballasting operation using BWTS at sea. So same like this, I code letter A, item number 1 and 2, start and completion, date, time, position. 3 and 4 will be number of tanks and volume of that tanks. Number 5, yes, ballasting as per BWMP for D2 compliance. 6 will be approved BWMS, then sign, name and rank. What if BWTS is not working and we are taking ballast by bypass method? Then you have to make entry like this. This is the example of bypass method at port. Code letter A for all ballasting operation. Item number 1 and 2, start and completion time, date, position. 3, which tank you are taking ballast. 4, how many quantity you have taken. 5, yes, ballasting as per BWMP contingency plan. 6, none. When you are taking ballast by bypass method at sea. Code letter A same for all ballasting operation. Item number 1, 2, start and completion time, date, position. 3, which tank you have taken ballast. 4, how many volumes you have taken. 5, yes, ballasting as per BWMP contingency plan. 6 is none. Then sometimes we have taken some ballast by BWTS and all sudden ballast water management system stop working. So the remaining water we have taken by ballast by bypass method. In this case the water will be mixed. So you have to make an entry like this. When there is a mixing of treated water with untreated water, you have to make an entry code letter A for all ballast operation. Item number 1, 2, start and stop time, date, position. 3, which tank you are taken ballast. 4. How many volumes you have taken? 5. Yes, ballasting operation as per BWMP contingency plan. 6. None. You have to state a reason why you have not why you have taken ballast by bypass method. For example, PCB failure or EDU fault. Now we will go to deballasting operations. Code B for all deballasting operations, whether in sea or at port. First example, when we are doing ballasting in the port. So for deballasting in the port, code letter B for always deballasting operation. Item number 1 and 2, start and stop, date, time, position. 3, which tank you have going to be deballast. 4, how many quantities you have discharged. 5, yes, deballasting as per BWMP for D2 compliance. 6, approved BWMS, sign, name, rank. Another example, when we are doing deballasting operation at sea. So code letter B for all deballasting operation. Item number 1, 2, start, date, time, position. 3, which tank you have discharged. 4, how many quantities you have discharged. 5, yes, deballasting as per BWMP for D2 compliance. 6, approved BWMS. I hope all clear. If you want this, you can take a screenshot or mention in the comment box. I will share the Google link drive so that you can download from the Google Doc. So another example, if any event, for example, we are discharging some water which is treated and untreated, so we have to make an entry like this. Code B for all deballasting operations. Item number 1, 2, start and completion, date, time, position. 3, which tank you have discharged. 4, quantity you have discharged. 5, no, because we are not using BWTS, so here no. Not exchange ballast before arrival when ballast is untreated with last port water. Then you have to mention why you have not exchanged or why you have not discharged through BWTS. So none, reason, PCB failure, EDU fault, whatever is there. If there is a contingency plan mentioned in your ballast water management plan that you can do deballasting operation by bypass method, then you have to make an entry like this here. B for all deballasting operation. Item number 1 and 2, start and stop, date, time, position. 3, which tank you have discharged. 4, quantities you have discharged. 5, yes, as per approved contingency plan. 6, approved BWMS. Then sign, name and rank. Then we will go to ballast water exchange. Sometimes you have taken ballast without treatment, and then when you are at sea you have to do the ballast water exchange. You have to deballast untreated water and you have to take treated water. Then you have to make an entry like this. Whenever ballast water exchange without any treatment, code number C for all ballast exchange operation. Here you see the item number is 1.1, not a single digit number. Here is a 2-digit number. 1.1, 1.2, start and completion, date, time, position. 1.3, minimum distance from the land and minimum depth in meters. This is very important. Do not miss this line. 1.4, yes, sequential method as per approved in the BWMP. 1.5, 2 port, 2 starboard, whatever you have tanks you have discharge or exchange. 1.6, quantity of exchange, and 1.7, none. This is the scenario where you have discharged the untreated water and taken the treated water. C for all ballast exchange operations. 1.1 and 1.2 start, stop, date, time, position. 1.3 minimum distance from the land and minimum depth of water. 1.4 yes, sequential method as per approved in the BWMP. 1.5 which all tanks you have discharged. 1.6 how many quantities you have discharged and exchanged. Here you have to write. Then approved BWMS and sign, name, rank. Some ballast water management system require internal transfer. So if you are doing some internal circulation for treatment using BWTS, then you have to make entry like here. Code letter will be C, same. Item number 2.1, 2.2 start and stop, date, time, position. 2.3 which all tanks you have recirculated. 2.4 how many quantities you have circulated. 2.5 approved BWMS, sign, name and rank. So code E is the accidental discharge or of the ballast water. If there is accidental discharge of the ballast water, then you have to make a entry like this. Code letter E, item number 1, 2, start and stop, date, time, position. 3 ingress of water in the ballast tank. 4 4 peak tank or any other tank, how many volume is coming. Then accidental ingress of water due to hull breach or collision or bottom plug failure, anything, whatever will be the reason. If there is accidental discharge of water, code E, item number 1, 2, start and stop, date, time, position. 3, discharge of water from the ballast tank, which all tanks, how many volume, and then accidental discharge due to hull breach or overflow or any whatever reason will be there, you have to mention here. Any sampling of the water using ballast water purpose, taking out of ration. This all PDF I will mention in the description box. Google document from the Google Drive you can download this. Thank you very much for your time, for your patience to watch the video. Please subscribe the channel if you like it and be updated for another amendments if it is coming in future.